What is happening, guys? Junior's Tech here, back with another video. Now today's a very exciting video. Not for you guys as much, but probably for myself. So a few friends of mine that actually sponsor this channel decided that the headsets I'm wearing during my gameplays and all that could have a little bit of an upgrade. So they were very kind enough to send me over a headset from Logitech, and this is the G733 League of Legends edition. Now this one I'm really excited about. So let's waste no time, let's go to the ceiling and see what we are working with. So all we need to do now is head over to Google and type in VIP SCD key in the search bar. So VIP SCD key, click on enter. And as soon as you click on this, it'll bring you to Microsoft Windows 10 Pro OEM CD Key Global. So now we are all logged in, all we need to do go over is hit on the yellow button which says buy now. And then simply in the promotion code, first of all, you need to type in a discount code, which is SKJT. So simply just type in SKJT and simply click on apply. And as you can see, it has already went down to $14.11. Now, if that is not a bargain, I don't know what is. So what we need to do from there is actually go over to submit order and pick your payment option. So as you can see, we have purchased it, we have our order number, and we are going to go back to the home screen in about 2 seconds. And I really did just buy that for $14.11. So what we need to do from here is go over to the right here where it says view keys and codes. From here, all you've got to do is hit the yellow tab that says get the key. And yes, don't worry, the center part is blurred out because that is my key, but you will have your own personal key, so don't worry. All we need to do is highlight this key and then copy it and then head over to your settings. So all we need to do is head over to the settings tab, go to update and security, head over to the left hand side where it says activation. And then what we need to do is click on change product key. As soon as you type this in, you'll be approached with this box. Simply copy your key into that, click on next, click on activate, and what Windows will do, Windows will check to see if it is a genuine key. As soon as it's done that, Windows has been activated. We have accepted this copy of Windows. But like I said, guys, do not forget to use the discount code SKJT. So guys, there is also one thing I want to tell you about, which is Windows 10 Pro OEM plus Office 2019 Professional plus CD Keys Pack. Now, as we can already see, this has already been reduced down from $280 all the way down to $66.41. And I'm going to show you. If we go to buy now and type in the discount code again, SKJT, and simply click on apply, we can already see that has reduced it down 30% to $46.49. But guys, yes, VIP SCD Key is an official platform where you can get Windows 10 Pro OEM keys, but they also do a lot of other keys as well. Like you've got Steam games, Origin games, Uplay, PlayStation, PC, and even gift cards. You can buy gift cards from here, either PlayStation, iTunes, Steam, for a much lower and a reduced price. But guys, don't forget, if you are going to get the Windows 10 Pro OEM key, do not forget to use the discount code SKJT. So guys, this is what we are taking a look at. So like I said, some of my kind friends decided to send this over, and this is the KDA G733 Logitech headset, and this is the League of Legends version, so I am very excited with this. I am not a massive fan of League of Legends. I don't actually play it a lot. I used to when I was younger, but I haven't played it in a very long time. But this edition does look extremely nice, so we're pretty much going to go from there and see how we are looking at. So why don't I get the strip down and see what's inside. So what we actually get in the box is not very much, to be quite honest, but let's have a look anyways. So to start off, we've got the True Color Collection. So this is just telling us a little bit about the fresh new take on gaming gear to do with how the color section of their work. So you can see their new keyboard range, their headsets, wired mice, and also Bluetooth mice, which is nice to see Logitech coming out with more and more ideas. And then we have an extremely large, in multiple different languages, user manual, but we're not going to be using that because I think from the time being that everyone kind of knows roughly how these work. So we do have a little transmitter here, which I believe is probably going to be about 2.4 gigahertz, I'm assuming. This would just plug into either your computer, your device, or PlayStation, Xbox, etc. So nothing exciting, but this is definitely something you will need. We also get quite a lengthy, I believe this is about 2 meters of a USB to Type-C connector, because like I said, these can be used wirelessly and wired, but they are charged by they are charged by Type-C connectivity, which is nice to see, allows for that quick charging, which is great. And we also get a removable mic, which is also nice to see because on some headsets these are permanently built in. They get annoying, you can't hide them away, but this is definitely something nice to see. So hardened plastic on the side, you've got the microphone right there, with your 3.5mm aux cable, and the center part, which is rubber, allows for that flex. So if you want it sat at a certain angle, you can do, or if you just want it removed, you can also do that. Now let's get to what we actually did this video for. So like I said, this is the League of Legends version, as you can see from the band at the top. I believe these can be swapped out and you can buy different ones, which is nice to see. I've seen a few online and you can switch these out. They simply just pop out by the side there and you can swap them out for something that you want yourself. But we also have 2 little notches here, so depending on the size of your head, you can use one of these 2 notches. It simply just pops out, as you can see underneath there, pops out from the plastic, and you can move that up and down depending on how comfortable you want to be, or basically if it fits your head or not. So let's have a little look on the outside. As we can see in chrome here, we have the nice KDA label going on there, and I'm not sure if you can see that. There is, in very briefly, there's a G733 etched in. It is very hard to see. I'll see if I can get a clip of it later on when we go into specifications. Now on the top we do have a hollow center in the middle, and obviously the brace here, which is going to be your support and allow for more comfort, but when you're wearing this for a long period of time. And on the other side we also have the chrome KDA going in there, which is also nice to see. The clear acrylic going on the side here, this is where the LEDs are actually going to shine through. So when you are using these and they are active, that's where the LEDs are going to shine through a little bit. I'll show more on when we go into specifications. Now on this side we do have a few little notches. So we have the LED button, we have a volume rocker, we have the on-off switch, and we also have our Type-C charger. And we also have the microphone port right there, which slides in extremely easily, just like that, and there you go. And even that alone looks really great. So you can shift it out your way, but if you just don't want it anymore, you can just toggle it off. And also one of these buttons, when you are using a microphone, will allow you to toggle the microphone on and off, which is also great. Because you don't always want to be heard by your friends if you're on team battles or anything like that. Sometimes you don't want to be heard, but that is a great feature to have. Now we do have the left and right cups here going on there, initialed very nicely, and as you can see, that is a large amount of foam. I have tested these out for a little while. I've got these ones and a grey set. The grey set have held up beautifully, and these are extremely comfortable. They're very breathable as well, even though that, after a while of gaming, you tend to get either a little bit warm, a little bit hot. These are they don't leave any residual sweat marks or anything. They are just extremely comfortable, and I have to say, a brilliant pair of headphones. Now they do have a slight amount of tilt on the side there, which is great, which is going to allow for more comfort, and they do have quite a large set of adjustability there, so you're not going to have to worry about these A, not fitting, and B, being extremely uncomfortable. They're just an extremely nice set of headphones. So what we're going to do is I'm going to jump straight into some specifications about these, and we're probably going to go from there. So guys, when it comes to the Logitech G733's KDA Lightspeed wireless gaming headset, and yes, this is the League of Legends version, but they are an absolute incredible pair of headphones. So Total Freedom allows up to 20 meters of wireless range and a Lightspeed wireless audio transmission. This allows you to keep gaming for up to 29 hours on a full battery life. So these are fully customizable as well. So the headset front facing dual zone, the light sync RGB lighting is full spectrum, and you can choose from the present animations, or you can even create your own with the G Hub software. So these headphones are extremely comfortable, being a lightweight at only 278 grams with a colourful reversible suspending headbands. And they are soft dual layered memory foam that allows you to shape it to your head and reduces stress points, allowing you for longer gaming sessions. Now the clear audio, so you can hear every audio cue with the breathtaking Clarity Pro G drivers. These are designed to significantly reduce distortion and reduce precise, constant, rich sounds and quality. So the advanced microphone filter will allow your voice to sound richer, clearer, and a lot more professional. This can also be customized with the Logitech G Hub, and you can also find your own personal sound. If you want to go check out a set of these headphones, if you drop down the links in the description, there'll be a link there so you can go check them out for yourself. So I do have to say, out of all the headphones I have reviewed or owned, especially for when it comes to gaming, I have to say this has to be one of the nicest, most premium headsets I physically have used. Yes, Logitech have been making products for years, and some of their products along the line are phenomenal. All my mice that I've ever used are Logitech. Keyboards, I am going to be getting one of their new limited edition ones on mechanical keyboards that are out. Can't remember the brand, the name of it, but I will be getting that soon. And Logitech, they have never seemed to fail me. Every time I've had one of their products, or even if I've had an issue with one of their products, I always seem to get it resolved like that. From Logitech themselves, this was a few friends of mine that actually sponsor this channel, but I have to say these are an unbelievable set of headphones. So if you are interested in going to grab a set of these, if you head down the links in the description, there'll be a link there so you can go grab a pair for yourself, or even just have a look at them to see if you would like them or not. What I have to say, they are extremely comfortable, and especially the noise cancellation. I've got these on now and I can barely hear my own voice and myself speak. So they really are a great pair of headphones. But as always, thank you very much for watching this video, guys. And again, thank you very much for VIP SCD Key for sponsoring this video. And as always, guys, I hope you have a great day. If this video did help you in any way, shape or form, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my further videos.